In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename files in OneDrive. Whether you're organizing your documents, restructuring your folders, or just giving your files a more memorable name, renaming your files in OneDrive can streamline the tidying process significantly. So, let's walk through this simple yet crucial task. First things first, you'll want to open OneDrive on your desktop or mobile app. Once you're all set and logged into your account, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on My Files. This will bring up a list of all your stored files and folders in your OneDrive account, organized neatly and ready for you to manage. Next, let's find the specific file you wish to rename. When you've located it, hover your cursor over the file. Now you will notice 3 small dots appearing to the right of the file name. These dots represent a menu often referred to as the More Options menu in OneDrive. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens a drop-down menu with several options to choose from. Here you'll see a variety of actions that can be taken on that particular file or folder, such as sharing, downloading, or deleting. What we want to focus on today is the Rename option. So, find and click on Rename from the list. Once you click it, the current file name becomes highlighted, indicating that it's ready for editing. You can now type in the new name you've decided on for this file. Think about making it something descriptive that will help you recognize the file at a glance. For example, you might want to include the date, a brief description, or a version number to make things more organized. After you've entered your new name, the final step is crucial. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to save the new name. It's a small step, but an essential one. This confirms that the new name is accepted and will now reflect in your OneDrive directory. Should you wish to cancel the renaming process at any chance, you could simply hit the Escape key before pressing Enter, and your file will retain its previous name. Renaming files this way in OneDrive is about ensuring your digital space is just as tidy and intuitive as your physical workspace might be. It helps to keep everything in order and assists you in finding what you need quickly and effectively. As you continue to use OneDrive, you'll find that renaming files and having a consistent naming strategy is a terrific habit that enhances productivity and minimizes stress when searching through numerous files. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep exploring OneDrive's robust features to get the most out of your storage experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials like this.